how to share your real-time location in Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to share your real-time location. Just head over to Google Maps. Then go to your profile icon on the top right. Go ahead and tap on location sharing and then tap on share location. Share your real-time location for 1 hour and a drop down. If you tap on it, you can change it to until you turn off or increase the duration. And then below you will see suggestions. So you can go to more and then choose to share it to which contact. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.